Siguro yung edge ng cheer dancing sa ibang sports, yung creativity na napapakita mo sa mga tao. Yung ibang athletes ang binubuhat, dumbbells, barbells, gym equipments. Kami, we lift girls for entertainment. And yun, masaya siya.
At first it's scary, but then you get used to it. And just knowing that someone will catch you makes it more exciting.
The pressure is, as in, it's on. Kasi nga, this year, for 3-peat kami.
Ito yung UP Pep Squad, UP Community, government to, walang sumusuporta. Hindi like yung ibang university, kaya nila bumili ng player, kumbaga magbayad, o kumuha ng foreign coach. Siyempre, ibang level yon.
When we wake up in the morning, we have to go to school. When it reaches 6 o'clock, that's when we start training. And our training usually goes from 6 to 12 midnight.
Yes, we will win this year's cheer dance competition.
Definitely.
Kami, malaki yung puso ko, UP ako. Manalo kami.